girlies, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be testing out a Fenty Beauty dupe. I found this on Aliexpress for £2. I actually purchased it for £2.10p, but now it is £2.16p, so prices do change on Aliexpress like every day. It could be lower, it could be higher, but it's always kind of round about that price. So yeah, we're going to be doing a comparison between the Miss Rose shimmer highlight, which looks like this, and this is the shade 02. So it doesn't actually have a name, it just has like a number 02, and it is a very yellow gold. As you can see, I purposely did the yellow gold on my eyes to match. Everything's matching today. So as soon as I saw this on AliExpress, I thought this looked exactly like the Fenty Beauty color, and of course I did go and buy the Fenty Beauty one the day it launched, and I literally haven't used it since I did that video, just because it's so gold, guys, and it's so glittery, and I honestly don't reach for it. But this is what the Fenty Beauty one looks like. So side by side, this one does look more of a yellow, and not to lie to you, I did swatch it when it came this morning, and it doesn't have as much glitter slash reflection as the Fenty Beauty one, but you never know how they're gonna look on the face, because everyone thinks the Fenty Beauty one is so like unwearable, so maybe this might be a wearable version, like the same color, just less glitter. So let's just go ahead and try this out. So on this side I'm gonna do Fenty Beauty, and then on this side I will do the Miss Rose highlighter. Okay, so starting with Trophy Wife, I'm gonna take a little dusting of this and apply it to my cheeks, so you guys can see it is very glittery. It is just like glitter particles, but it is very pigmented though. You can see I did the smallest dip and I've just got a lot of highlight. It's just such a crazy highlighter. I think this color would be stunning for the eyes, for your lid, your inner corner, but on the actual cheeks I'm not living for it. But what I am gonna do is take some of that Fenty Beauty and also put it on my inner corner. It matches my eyeshadow like so well. Now we're going to move on to the £2 Miss Rose highlighter and try it on this cheek. First of all, let me swatch them side by side so you guys can see how they swatch. Okay, so we're going to swatch Fenty Beauty first. There we have it. It swatches absolutely gorgeous. And now we're going to swatch the Miss Rose highlighter. This looks exactly like the MUA highlighters, by the way, guys. If you are in the UK, I'm not quite sure if MUA is worldwide, but if you are in the UK, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This looks exactly like the MUA Technique. It looks just like that. So let's go ahead and swatch it here. So as you can see, it is more of a yellow gold. If anything, it's just a yellow. It's a straight up yellow, and it doesn't have much reflection compared to Fenty Beauty. Now taking the Miss Rose highlighter. Ooh. Whoa. It's like the same color, just a highlighter formulation, if that makes sense. I feel like this was definitely more of a glittery eyeshadow formulation. This is a highlighter. It is very yellow, like, not to be funny, but then again, so is the Rihanna one. I don't see a brand coming up with a color like this by themselves, so when I see colors like this, I do kind of think they copied it from Rihanna's brand, because who would actually think of a color like this? This is crazy. I am like yellow all over, but yeah, I definitely prefer this side. The color is just not my thing. I don't know why yellow gold got so popular. I'm just gonna tone this side down a little bit more, and this side as well. See, I feel like when I tone this side down, it kind of just dusts away, whereas this side is still very blinding. Okay, so here we have the Miss Rose highlighter versus Fenty Beauty. Definitely let me know what your guys' thoughts are, what your thoughts are, guys. How do you say it? On the face, guys, in real life, this definitely doesn't texturize as much as this one does. This literally looks like I've taken glitter and like put it all over my cheeks. But then again, last time I said that in my Fenty Beauty review, when I went off camera and edited the video, it looked absolutely flawless on camera. So I feel like this highlighter photographs well and, you know, obviously films well. But in real life, guys, it's so texturizing. It is just a loose glitter type of thing, whereas this side actually has that highlighter formulation, if that makes sense. So I hope you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. But overall, guys, if you do like that yellow gold look that Fenty Beauty put out, I mean, it is the same tone, just with less glitter. So if you don't like the glitteriness of Fenty Beauty or the price of Fenty Beauty, then definitely go with this, because it's literally the same thing, just with no glitter, but it's the same color, definitely. Maybe just a hint more yellow though, but I do prefer the formulation of the Miss Rose nose highlighter. But yeah guys, that was everything I wanted to share with you in today's video. Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Please go ahead, give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.